Alright, what's good with y'all? So, we're gonna do an NFL tier list because I feel like it. Alright, starting off. Arizona Cardinals. I mean, these are very average uniforms. I don't really see anything special other than their black color rush uniforms. I'll put them at average. Atlanta Falcons. When I first saw these uniforms, these looked very strange to me, but they grew on me. I'll put them at, and their gradient uniforms, oh my gosh, fire. I'll put them at fire. Ravens. Ravens, they're very, very nice. I love the color scheme. Boom. Bills. Buffalo Bills are very, very average. But they look clean though, so I'm gonna put out nice. Carolina. Love the color scheme. Number font. I'll put them at nice. Bears. Three stripes. I love their classic uniforms, but that's really about it. Very basic, average. Bungles. Might get some shade for this, but I really like these. Nice. The new Browns uniforms, they're very... I've seen them before. Nothing special, but they're really very nice. I love their color rush. I'll put them at nice. Cowboys. Color scheme. Nice. Broncos. The Broncos uniforms, I like them. Lions. Yeah, they're nice too. Like I'm picking and choosing. Ah, yes, the Packers. Packers uniforms they're really good. I like the color scheme, but they're kind of basic, to be honest. I love the throwbacks though. You know, I'll put them at average just cause when I'm playing. Texans. I like the color scheme is great. I love the red around their collar, but and it looks really good in Deshaun Watson if he's even gonna. Bro, Indianapolis Colts uniform have one of the cleanest away uniforms ever, bro. Fire. Jags. What do I think about the Jags? Black, white, and teal. Very nice. I can't lie. Only they made themselves look nice. I haven't given. Alright, next. Chiefs. Good. I like the way they put their uniforms, but I mean, I don't see anything special, so average. Chargers. I love these uniforms. Oh my gosh, the navy blue, bro. You can fire. Rams. Okay, when these new uniforms came out, I hated them. They looked very bad, but then I started liking their old uniforms, and they look. Man, I don't know how to feel, so I'll just put them at meh. Raiders. Basic. Meh. Dolphins. I love their throwbacks. I'll just put them at average. The Vikings. Woo. I love their helmet, their jerseys. I love their type of font, you know, with the big V and whatnot. I'll put this at nice. Patriots. And I really don't know how to feel about the Patriots new uniforms. I'd say they're pretty average. So is Saints. I mean, nothing special. New York Giants. These are very clean uniforms, but they look like middle school uniforms. You can go. Jets. I like the Jets too. They're like basketball uniforms, but That's about, yeah. Green, white, and black go together pretty well. So nice they go. Eagles, you know, you got that one green. I think it's called gasoline green with the white and the black. Very nice. Pittsburgh Steelers. I love their color rushes, and their away uniforms are kind of basic, but their home never disappoints. So I'll just put them there. Seahawks, do I need to explain? The Niners, oh yeah, fire. I love the Niners scheme. I've seen the Bucks before. I mean, I like they're kind of average. Titans, oh yeah, nice. This is a hot take, but Washington's new uniforms are fire, bro. I love the race car helmets. We know the numbers on it. Very very clean. Fire goes. I don't think any of the uniforms are garbage. I like all of them. So yeah, that's basically my uniform tier list. Hope y'all enjoyed. Give me some feedback. I want to see what y'all think. Where should I move this and that? You know, let me know.